यार ये तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा।
सच में नहीं हो रहा क्या भाई?
Have you found this scene relatable? Then it's not just you, but many students around the world are facing similar issue when it comes to doubt solving. या तो टीचर अवेलेबल नहीं है, या फिर भीड़ इतनी ज्यादा है कि डाउट पूछने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा, या फिर कई बार कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हेजिटेट करते हैं डाउट पूछने के लिए. बट दिस इशू isn't just limited to doubt solving. Let's say you have an exam tomorrow, और एग्जाम के लिए अब प्रिपरेशन करनी है. प्रिपरेशन के लिए तुम्हें किसी भैया दीदी या किसी मेंटर की जरूरत पड़ती है. मान लो तुम्हारे सीनियर भैया और योर मेंटर इज बिजी और नॉट अवेलेबल राइट नाउ, तो दिक्कत तो तुम्हें हुई ना. और इसके बाद व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंटरव्यूज एंड वाइवास, तो ज्यादा मॉक इंटरव्यूज ना देने के कारण फाइनल परफॉर्मेंस बिगड़ जाती है. बट इफ यू थिंक डाउन डीपली, देन दिस इशू कम्स डाउन टू अ सिंगल कॉमन प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज not availability of personalized group or personalized mentor who can help you with everything, whether it may be doubt solving, whether it may be interview preparation or mentorship, and at any time.
In older times, the sons and daughters of kings or the aristocratic family, they would get trained by a personal coach. एक राजगुरु होता था जो ट्रेन करता था. द्रोणाचार्य ने सारे कौरवों और पांडवों की शिक्षा दी थी, उनको ट्रेन किया था. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जब आप मास्टर्स पे जाते हो तो हर किसी के पास खुद का एक इंडिविजुअल ट्रेनर ऑफ द्रोणाचार्यस कैपेबिलिटी नहीं हो सकता. अंटिल नाउ हमने स्केलर के अंदर फॉर स्केलर स्टूडेंट्स एक लर्निंग कंपेनियन बनाना स्टार्ट किया, जो आज की डेट में एक टीए का काम, जो कि एक टीचिंग असिस्टेंट है. तो आप जब असाइनमेंट सॉल्व करते हो तो आपको हेल्प करता है, आपका इंटरव्यू लेता है, मॉक इंटरव्यू लेता है, जस्ट टू टेल यू कि आप कहाँ पे वीक हो, या फिर कुछ आंसर्स आपको कैसे बोलने चाहिए ताकि आप अपने थॉट्स को अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर पाओ.
So now let's test it out how it actually works.
Now, how does the interview work? So, in a data structures and algorithms mock interview, the interviewer screen has 3.
Hi, thanks for interviewing with us.
And if you will,
Today we have a data structures and algorithms round, and we would try to solve 2 questions together. I have put the first question on your screen. Please go through it and let me know your thoughts and approach.
superb. So, the interviewer has been trained with the voice of Anshuman. In the data structures and algorithms mock interview, as the interviewer told that, hey, they have put the question on the screen, let me go through the question and speak. I'm not really able to understand the question. Possible for you to explain that to me again?
Sure. The problem is about finding the minimum cost path in a grid from the top left corner 0, 0 to a given position n, n. Each cell in the grid has a cost, and you can move right down or diagonally lower right. The goal is to find the path with the minimum total cost.
That is what is Scalar Companion. Think of a Scalar Companion as a 24/7 available teaching assistant to you, which will actually help you resolve your queries, but not by giving you answers directly, by giving you the correct directions, by giving you the correct nudges, helping you understand the things behind those questions, the main concept behind those questions, and getting those aha moments where you will actually get learning.
And now let's hear from the students themselves who built this platform.
Hi, my name is Abhinav and I am a second year student at Scalar School of Technology, and I have helped to build the Learning Companion. It has been one of the most educative and inspiring journey for me. So talking about the project in the team, I was working on building a Learning Companion. So what do we mean by companion is an entity that can help you learn in a personalized manner. So I was working alongside with my classmates Ayan and Preetham, and we built this under the guidance of our mentors who were senior software engineers and guided us through all our problems. The journey of building the Learning Companion was a total roller coaster. We faced a lot of issues, such as bringing down the latency of the interview. So this was a major issue that we worked on for many days and continuously thought of how we can solve this. Anyhow, after working for continuously for 3 days, we finally figured out a solution for this. But at the same time, we've also faced the issue of how to make the AI control the flow of the interview. But as you know, making the product work one time is just the starting of the testing phase. जैसे ही हम टेस्टिंग करने लगे तो हमने नोटिस किया कि एक बग आया था हमारी प्रोडक्शन में, और ये बग का कॉज मैं ही था. तो ये बग एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही छोटा बग था. वाइल हमें अपडेट करना था, यूजर्स की ईमेल को भी स्टोर करना था इन आवर डेटाबेस. तो जब मैं वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा था तो मैंने एक माइनर मिस्टेक की, और एक फंक्शन के अंदर जहाँ पे मुझे ईमेल को पास करना था मैंने नहीं किया. सो दैट वाज द माइनर इशू जिसकी वजह से पूरा प्रोडक्शन का एक प्रोडक्ट हमारा डाउन था. जैसे तैसे हमने उस इशू को जल्दी से सॉल्व कर दिया, बिकॉज आइडेंटिफाई करना ही मेन चीज़ था उसमें, इतना बड़ा बग नहीं था बट सो इन इश्यूज़ के बाद मुझे पता चला कि एक टीम में काम करने की क्या क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं और हाउ यू लर्न एंड ग्रो विद योर टीममेट्स। मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ मेरे टीममेट्स आयान एंड प्रीतम का एंड सीनियर इंजीनियर्स का, जो हमारे साथ थे हर एक मोमेंट में एंड हमें गाइड किया कि इन इश्यूज से कैसे हम आगे आ सकते हैं। तो पिछले 3-4 महीने का हार्डवर्क जो हमने किया वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें वर्थ इट लगता है जब हम देखते हैं कि इतने सारे लोग हमारे प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ करते हैं एंड अप्रिशिएट करते हैं।
But this wouldn't have been possible without the support and guidance of our mentors. So now let's hear from them. How was the journey? How was the process for them?
When we started developing Scalar Companion, the vision was pretty much clear, but how will we execute that was a bit unclear, right? There were a lot of unknowns. AI being a new technology, a lot of unknowns have to be figured out. Right from how will we optimize or tune the AI to be able to answer the queries how we want it to answer, how will we make it natural, how will we make it empathetical, to even how the user experience will be like, right? If the user experience is far different from how a natural platform will look like, people are probably not really going to trust it. So there were a lot of challenges that were there because of the ambiguous nature of the new technology. To tackle these challenges, we also brought in SST students into our team. 3 students from SST worked very closely, very collaboratively, along with the whole Scalar Companion team, tackling all of the challenges heads on, giving their ideas, suggesting new things, and even bringing fresh perspective into the picture. I think their contributions did add a lot of value into making Scalar Companion what it became, and added a lot of value to the learning experience of students as well as the outcomes of the students. So yeah, I think this was a great opportunity for the students, as well as it was a great opportunity for us to be able to work with these students and build such a good product. Let us say that today I tell you that you have to go interview at Google. Even though you might have all of the knowledge that is required to clear the interview at Google, there might be some other things that might kill your chances. Things like probably you might get anxious, things like you might get nervous. So we have a lot of mock interviews that we conduct for our learners to prepare for the real interviews. Okay. Now, one thing we noticed with teaching assistants as well as mock interviews is that scaling them is not really very easy. For example, if you have one good TA, they will be able to take as many queries as possible of the learners and answer all of them very well. But if you have many learners, a single TA cannot do the work. And as you scale the number of TAs, unfortunately, the quality also starts dropping. So let us take a simple example. Let us say you are preparing for IIT exams. Okay. Let us say you are solving your daily practice paper that you typically get in your coaching institutes for a maths chapter. Okay. You have a question and it's a hard question and you are not able to solve it. Okay. Now what will you do? One way is that you will wait for the next class to happen. What you might do is you might call a friend that, hey, hey Naman, I'm stuck with this problem. Can you please help me with it? Probably they will not have time and they will give you the answer directly. They will say, oh, the answer of this is 13, just mark it. But do you really think that has helped you understand how to solve those problems? No. The thing that you actually need to know is know the technique behind these problems.
Scalar Companion was one step towards personalized learning from the students of Scalar School of Technology. Stay tuned for further more exciting projects.